People are making thousands of dollars, okay, online selling services, okay, that you don't even imagine that they could actually make money from, like doing simple PowerPoint presentation. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make thousands of dollars, all right, doing simple presentation, okay, for people, and they will pay you just to do so, all right. And I'll also walk you through the examples of other people currently doing this to get similar results, okay. And it's not so hard to do because I will be sharing with you a trick, all right, in this particular video that will enable you make your presentations, okay, very unique, okay, colorful, and also presentable, okay, more than what other people are currently doing, all right. That will give you an edge, okay, over the competition. Now if this is something that interests you, I invite you to stay tuned because I'll jump right into my computer and share with you how to do this step by step. Now if this is the first time stopping by on my channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I'm based in Abuja, Nigeria, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online. If this is something that interests you, okay, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell icon, that way you get notified whenever I upload value packed video like this one. That way you don't miss out on anything. Now two things are going to happen at the end of this video. You see that you're going to be taking action on this or not, okay. Let me know which one you're going to be doing in the comment section of this video, all right. Give this video a like to show your support, and with that being said, let's dive right into my computer and I'll be sharing with you the good stuff. Let's do this, guys. So like I said, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can basically make money, okay, doing this amazing method right here today. And other people are also doing this to make ton of money online, okay. When you go up to freelance websites like Fiverr, Upwork, okay, People Per Hour, and so many other websites out there, you'll see other people doing this and they're making a killing out of it, all right. So I will encourage you to stay to the end of this video because at the end of this video I have something for you I would like to share, and I don't want you to miss out on it. It will enable you make passive income also. For those of you who have been watching my videos, you will know I was also talk about this as well. So I encourage you to stay to the end of this video, all right. So now the first way, okay, the first thing we want to look at, okay, to enable you make money with this particular method right here today is to look at some examples. Okay, let's take a look at some examples. So first of all, go over to fiverr.com. okay, so let's go over to Fiverr and let's see what other people are doing to make money on this platform, okay, doing presentation, just simple PowerPoint presentation right here. Now you can see as I type in PowerPoint presentation, there's just a bunch of people right here who are making money, okay, doing presentations for other people. You can see this person charging $70, okay. This person have actually done about, you have about 1,000 plus review, okay, and 5-star rating. This is amazing right here. You can see this person with $50, 1K plus, okay. When we scroll down, you can see other people charging $250, $100, $25, okay, so on and so forth, okay. There are so many people doing presentations online on Fiverr, okay, and they're making a killing out of it. This person is pro verified account, have a pro verified account, and they're doing $350 just doing simple presentation that you can basically do, all right. Now like I said, I'm going to be showing you a hack, okay, a tool that will enable you do this very well, or like a website, okay, that will just make your work a lot more easier, okay, and you can stand out as a pro, all right, and deliver on this result, okay. So this is not something complicated. It's not like a tool you're going to be paying for. Everything is completely free right here, okay. So what we're now going to be doing is let's take a look at this person. Let me open this on a new tab. Let's take a look at this one, okay. Let's see, okay, like this particular person right here, I will creatively design your PowerPoint presentation. She have a 4.9 rating, level 2 seller, and have 442 reviews. So you see, for our basic plan right here, she's charging $70. For the standard, she's charging $140, and for the premium, she's charging $210, all right. So you can see the number of slides that she can actually do right here, okay. This is Marie. You can see the number of slides that you can actually do right here. Includes charts, graphs, infographics, transition, animation, and all of those cool stuff. Now presentation is an amazing way, okay, to make money performing doing presentation as a service, okay, or performing this task for other people is an amazing way to make money, because there are so many people who are creating presentation slides every single day. People who are creating courses, people who are running their YouTube channel, okay, who just want to do presentations and all of that, but they want it to look pretty and nice, or people who are also doing pitches or or doing presentations, okay, to sell a particular product and all of that. Okay, so there are so many people, okay, who are in need of presentation every single time. Okay, and I also talk about this with some of my students when it comes to job servicing and all of that. But this is not a topic for, this is not a video for job servicing, but basically for how you can use this for yourself, okay, perform the service and make money and keep all the money for yourself, basically, because it is not so difficult and complicated to do. So you can see how much this person is charging for their premium service right here, $210. Okay, let's look at this other person right here. This one is charging $70 for the basic, okay, and I've gotten 1,500 5-star rating, okay, top rated seller. All right, and for their premium they're charging $295, okay, 50 slides, okay, bunch of charts, infographics, and all of that cool stuff. So how can you get started with this? How can you do professional presentation even if you're not a pro graphic designer like this person is, okay, making this kind of slides and all of that? How can you basically do this, okay, and stand out also as a pro to enable people work with you also online? Now, I'm also going to be sharing with you a trick to enable you make even more money with this particular method the fastest way possible, because going on Fiverr, okay, getting started, and you can't, without any reviews or nobody knowing about you, you haven't gotten any job and all of that, okay, that might be a hassle to grow the Fiverr account, okay, to start getting people to work with you. But I'll share with you a hack that can get you started ASAP, okay, simple way you can get started with this particular method, very, very easy performing this service. All right, so you can see people are making money with this, okay. So if we do the maths right here, all right, let's say the average amount, let's use this number, $70 right here, okay. This is the basic plan right here, $70, and you know that it is not everybody that gives this person a tax, all right, that is actually going to drop a review. Okay, some people might not, some people will. All right, so about 1,500 review for $70, but let's not talk about this one. Let's not look at this number. Let's go back to this particular person right here, okay, because this number, okay, this is a top rated seller and he might be doing this for a long period of time. This is actually a level 2 seller, which is good. Okay, we can actually use this as reference. Let's say we do $70 times this number we're seeing right here. Let's see the potential amount this person must have made, okay, over time. All right, so let's say $70, which is the smallest plan, times 442, okay, we be an estimate of $30,000, okay, a little over $30,000. And you know, it's not actually everybody, okay, that is actually giving this person a tax that will actually drop a review. Some people won't, some people will. So these are the people who put their review right here, and you can see 4.9 ratings for this particular person right here. You can see 8 others in queue. Okay, there are people in queue for this particular person. You can see the demand for this is also huge and high. All right, so you can leverage on this and make money with this particular method I'm sharing with you today. Okay, now you can not only do this on Fiverr, all right, you can go to people per hour also. You see, there are also people offering their services to do presentations and all of that. And with what I'm going to be sharing with you today, you will do even a lot better than what some of these people are currently doing right here on this particular platforms. Okay, you can see I'm going to show you something that will get you ahead of the curve, or you stand out basically, because your presentations are going to look amazing and awesome. Okay, so the tool you can, and that will enable you, or the website that will enable you do this very easy, is called SlideGo. Okay, just go to slidesgo.com. okay, so you can get free Google Slides and PowerPoint templates on this particular website. All right, this template, okay, will make you stand out and look professional, because these templates are already designed. Okay, all you can basically do is just to change out certain text, change out certain charts and all of that, and you'll be fine, and your presentation will look as professional as it's supposed to look. Okay, so you can see right here, all right, there are different categories right here. There's for education, popular, business, marketing, medical, multipurpose, infographics. There are different types you can use right here, different templates. And when we scroll down to this particular section right here, okay, we can see this is owned by this is a Free Pick company, and Free Pick also offer a bunch of free tools, free templates you can use for graphic design and all of that. And you can see other platforms you can also use, okay, that is also owned by the Free Picks company. All right, Free Picks, Flat Icon, SlideGo, Pin Tab, and all of that, that you can basically use. all right, to make your presentation look a lot more better and a lot more professional. All right, so when we just go over to business right here, or let me just go to education basically. Once we click on education, let me click on education, we can see there are school templates, okay, lessons, thesis, workshop, okay, that you can just basically open up, all right, and use. Back to school, that you can just open them up and use them. All right, let's go to business and see what some of the templates on business actually look like. So on business right here, you can see a presentation for a pitch. So let's open this one up. This is actually a template, okay, 28-page template. So once we open this one up, okay, we can run through the presentation and see how it basically look like. All right, you can see our company, our services, okay, you can see how pretty this entire presentation actually look, okay, and you can just edit some of the text, the images right here, and replace them with yours, okay, that's easy. All right, you can see how you can see charts right here, okay, they basically have this infographics, okay, illustrating certain ideas and all of that. You can see other infographics and charts right here, okay. This is professionally done, and there are a bunch of templates, okay, like this one on this particular website right here, and you can see you can use this Google Slide theme right here, okay. Once you click on this, it will automatically import to your Google Slide account, okay. That's if you're signed into your Gmail, okay, as long as you're on Chrome. Once you just click on this, it will automatically open on one of your Google accounts, and you can start editing from there. All right, or you can download this as a PowerPoint template, okay, and use them on PowerPoint, okay, which is very, very easy and very, very simple. Now, like I said, there are so many templates on this particular website that you can leverage or use, okay. There's so many templates that will make you stand out when you are offering this as a service on Fiverr or on Upwork, okay, or you just want to use this to make money generally online, which I'm going to be sharing with you in just a moment, okay. So this is the platform you can basically use to get templates, okay, that will make you stand out. All right, let me just do something real quick. We can take a look at other templates right here by just sliding through. We don't have to open them up necessarily. We can just maybe check them through the thumbnail right here and see what the template actually look like, okay. This will actually make you select the template faster, okay, to see if it fits what you're actually looking for or not, okay. So it is just coming through this page and just run through this and see if the template is actually good for what you want or it is not. All right, so what you can just basically do is come over to this platform, check it out, see if it is something you can work with, okay. Import some of them to Google Slide, okay, download them on PowerPoint and see how it can basically work. Now, to enable you work with this as fast as possible and to get you earning money, okay, because to compete with all of these people who are top rated seller on Fiverr or level 2 sellers, or people who already have worked with a lot of people and gotten a lot of reviews on People Per Hour and other freelance websites, okay, to enable you jump ahead of them and start making money ASAP, starting from today if possible, is once you come over to Facebook, okay, come over to Facebook group and look for coaches and consultants, okay. You want to join a bunch of groups regarding coaches and consultants because these are the people who mostly do presentations, okay. They have courses and all of that, and they mostly coach a lot of people, so they need someone, okay, that could help with their presentation slide, okay. So if you can help them create it, all right, to make it look pretty and graphical, okay, they will thank you for it and pay you for it also. All right, so if your fee or what you're charging is less than this, or maybe you're also charging, maybe let me say a little bit more, all right, and incentivize it, maybe make it more pretty. Instead of like having 10 slides here, maybe you can have like 20 or 15 and all of that, okay, just to give them extra value basically, and they will be willing to work with you. That is what it basically means. Then you can also offer an upsell, okay. This gives you the opportunity to do upsell. Maybe you can offer to do some of the research for them, okay, if they're not yet ready to go ahead with a presentation, because most people who come over to Fiverr and Upwork or People Per Hour are coaches and consultants who are they're ready with their Microsoft document or their Google Doc document, okay, which they need it to be enhanced, okay. That is when they will now want to look for somebody on this platform to help them redesign it into a presentation format, okay. But to enable you do this fast, okay, you can offer to get a research team, you can offer them research, okay, and charge them for the research. Then you can come over to Fiverr, okay, this is actually job servicing right now. You can come over to Fiverr and look for someone who is good with research, give them the tax and you keep the difference, okay. So once that research is done and the coach or the consultant approves on it and decides that you can go ahead with the presentation slide, then you can continue with that, and you're also making money while doing that. All right, so this is an amazing way you can basically make money, all right, online without doing any complicated things, okay. All right, there's so many complicated things in the world right now, so you just want something very simple that is easy to go. All right, this is a tax, or this is a skill, all right, that a lot of people don't know that they can actually use to make money. And this is not something that will take you months or years, okay, to master or to get good at, okay. This is something that you can get you started immediately because you already have templates that you can work with. All right, just come over to SlideGo, okay, check them out, test the templates out, see how they're working and all of that, and you can get you earning money, okay. And you can see how much people are making right here, okay. For this person right here, you can see they've made over $30,000. This one have made more than that, okay. And you too can also do these particular things to make money online. So I encourage you take massive action with this particular strategy today, because I'm super excited to share this with you. All right, I have actually used this in my businesses also, and I've seen the power in it. My teammates, my friends, my colleague, okay, so many other people I know are currently using this particular template, okay, and they are using it to do awesome presentation and making a killing out of it also. So I encourage you to check it out, try it out for yourself, okay. Go on to Facebook, okay, and other social media platforms and network with coaches and consultants and offer them this service, okay. And when they do so, you'll be making money while doing it, okay. You can charge them like $70, $80 or $100 to get them a nice looking presentation, okay, and upsell them with other services as well. So I encourage you to take massive action on this particular strategy right here today, okay, because this has the power, okay, to get you started or to get you making money on the side or to get you making money online in general, okay. So I want you to watch this video on screen right here, which shares with you how to make passive income. All right, I encourage you to check it out. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. All right, so share this video with a friend to give value to them. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.